tribe. Today we are reviewing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I really never felt a necessity of buying an action camera, but now the game has changed. My favorite features about this camera are the ones we are reviewing today, TimeWarp and HyperSmooth video. And before we proceed outside with our test, let me go ahead and show you the settings. 2 times the speed, 5 times, 10, 15 and 30 times the speed. The faster you go, more stabilization you have. Okay guys, quick tip here for you. If you want to make low shots, you can just turn the GoPro upside down like this. Okay, I have this small flexible tripod which I use all the time. This one is from Photo Pro and it's awesome. The screen already turned, so I can make these walking shots. I just did one right now here like this. Quick tip for you, let's go. HyperSmooth stabilization. You can shoot in 2.7K, 20, 30, 60 frames per second, and you don't need a gimbal. Check it out. Have you used the GoPro TimeWarp or HyperSmooth video stabilization? Let us know in the comments below how did that work for you. I hope this video was very clear. I was looking forward to have this little bit in our filmmaking / vlogging kit. And for more information, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye!